Hi guys, Tyler here, and I just want to mention that the prices on Amazon for this product do change often, so make sure you check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. Now let's jump into the review. In today's video, we're looking at this premium mattress pad. Now in today's video, I want to talk a little bit about this mattress pad and also help you know what to expect when using it. Now, I actually left it in this plastic here because I wanted to show you that this is how it comes shipped, so you don't have to worry about this getting damaged maybe when there's bad weather or anything like that in the shipping process. All right, now that we've got it out of the package, my initial thought is actually this is a lot puffier and a lot softer than I expected. Now, one thing I really like about this mattress pad is that the pockets here to go ahead and slide over the corner are actually really deep. You can go ahead and slide this over a 21-inch mattress. That's a very thick mattress. All right, so I went ahead and put that on, and as you can see, it looks fantastic. The size is absolutely perfect, and I was able to put it on very easily by myself, partially and thanks to those deep pockets. They slide on the corners very easy. Now, right off the bat, I can just tell that this is going to be nice and soft and very comfortable. There's just a slight touch of softness here in this premium mattress pad, and I also don't think it's going to detract much from the feel of your mattress. So normally if your mattress, you spend a lot of money on the mattress, it's important that you get to feel the mattress as well and not just the mattress pad. And I honestly believe this is a perfect combination of softness, but also going to let you feel how the actual mattress feels. Now, one thing that I thought was really cool about this premium mattress pad is that it is machine washable, and you're going to go ahead and wash it under a gentle cycle with cold water. Now, this mattress pad is also made of high quality microfiber, so it's supposed to be breathable and cooling. So I don't think that you're going to get super hot when you're using this mattress pad. Now, thanks to those features, the deep pockets and the soft feel of this mattress pad, I highly recommend it. Hopefully this video has helped you know if this mattress pad is right for you. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.